text-to-speech with the online version of Word. In the Word toolbar, select View. This will change the functions in the toolbar and display the Immersive Reader button. Click on Immersive Reader. The view of your text will change. Icons and images will not appear in the online version of Immersive Reader. There are several tools available here at the top right corner, icons. We will be looking at the Read Aloud feature, which is the right arrow button at the bottom of the screen. Double-click on a word in the text, and a dotted line will appear around the word. Click on the Read Aloud button at the bottom and the text is read from where the cursor was placed in the text.
Double-click on a word in the text. A dotted box will appear around the word. Asterisk, a single click selects just the word for TTS. Click the Read Aloud button at the bottom and the text is read from where the cursor was placed in the text. You can pause the text.
Beside the Read Aloud button is a settings icon. Here you can control the speed of the voice and whether it's a male or a female voice. Those are the basics of text-to-speech in the online version of Word.